Hello guys and welcome to an unboxing of the MB-D17 vertical grip for the D500. Opening up the relatively small box is a Nikon branded pouch, yeah I think it's a pouch, where the AA battery tray is stored. Yes, you can run the D500 on 8 AA batteries, or you can opt in for the actual tray where you can put an actual battery in it, which is located at the bottom of the box. So getting onto that, we can actually see the actual grip, which is wrapped in bubble wrap and plastic. And inside the proper grip is the ENEL15A tray, which enables you to put the actual Nikon D500 battery into the tray and power your D500 from the grip. And just for reference, no, this does not include a battery whatsoever. All it is just a grip and a few trays which you can power your D500 from. So alright guys, this has been a very short unboxing of the MB-D17 vertical grip for the D500. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see the unboxing of the D500, have a look in the top right hand corner in the cards section. Anyway guys, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll be seeing you soon. Take care, and yes, bye bye.